The next category is the highest enrollment school that obtained 90/50. The school will also get a certificate, a trophy, and a Canon printer. The name of the school is Bredner Secondary School. Number 3, the most improved school that got 85%. And this school improved from 75% to 93.3%. The increase is 18.3%. They will also get the certificate, a trophy, and a printer. Kailang Secondary School. Now I'm getting to the district top maths and science school in quintile 4 to 5. The name of the school, this school will also get a trophy and a certificate